QuickTime is at 36.5, 284, 238. Okay, a few things. When I'm movie recording, it's at 286 now. It just went to 286, 270. When I movie record for 5 minutes, QuickTime is at 26.4 and it says prevent sleep. Yes, that's not true. That's a false statement because I've already documented it. I already documented that it does not prevent sleep. Screensaver does come on and QuickTime is at 26.4. Okay, however, here's QuickTime. I just started recording and it's already at 285. I screen recorded earlier, it went up to 312.9 and I've seen it go up to 400. Okay, that's QuickTime. 400 in screen recording and in movie recording, 26.4. All right, that's number one. When I started up the computer today, Bluetooth devices here was grayed out. So that was at where the computer said 4:08 p.m. I didn't do anything different. And then I checked it. I've done this many times where it took a while and then it was no longer grayed out and I was able to undo it. Okay, so this is a common occurrence where I'm not allowed to undo this here to wake up the computer, and then I am. Okay, so what happened today is computer says 4:44 p.m. I had to change the time to 7:44. It keeps going back in time. So this is I changed it here, 7:44 p.m. Here it is. It says 7:45 there. I locked the lock, 7:45, January the 29th. Then it changed again. The time changed. It went back 3 hours. It says 4:51, January the 29th. Okay, so I changed it to 7:52 p.m. I locked it, 7:52 p.m., January the 29th. Then it changed again. Here it is. I didn't bother changing it back. At 9:14 p.m. in Toronto, it went back again for the third time. It went back to 6:16. Right now it's 6:49. That's not the time in Toronto. It is 9:49. So I'm tired of changing it back and forth. It continues to go back 3 hours. All right, I did record earlier and the temperature, it was at 144, but the exhaust, it was extremely noisy. It went to 7205 RPM, okay? And this is completely documented. Now, what else? I opened the computer, I unboxed it today. There's a red flash. January the 29th is initiating, setting up the Mac. And then I see always disk image, but my phone doesn't want to focus, but I will show the recording in a bit. And then finally 1.78 GB is already in other volumes. All right, so here it is. I'm going to expand it here, and here it is setting up.
One sec, no. One sec. Yeah. And there's the disk image. It just showed up. Did you see something was there?
There it is setting up.
One sec, no. One sec. Yeah.
There's a disk image that always shows up. And then here 1.78 GB is already used in other volumes. Okay, now nothing is plugged in. I'm going to go back to the setup at 0.58. Hold on.
It's okay.
You can start it from there.
No.
There.
Oh,
There's a red flash. Screen went gray, and then the beach ball showed up at the corner.
flash. Okay. It's alright.
There's a beach ball.
And then I have the. It's okay. I can do it. It's alright. Thank.
And then, like I said, I'm not gonna do it. Well, of course I'm gonna do it again. There.
The Mac. Alright. So setting up the Mac. Phone is not focusing. One sec. No.
Touch the
One sec.
screen every time.
Yeah.
And there. Okay. So I've already shown this already, and that's the end of that. And I am going to stop recording now. As always, I say, see, I had already recorded this, but the computer went crazy, and I'm going to say the end, and I'm going to stop recording. Stop.